Widgets are a selection of tools which create simple visual messages to drive engagement. Using widgets, you can create hello bars, light boxes, and lower corner promotion messages. They are quick and easy to set up with little or no coding experience required. They can be used with targets or tests and are accessed via the visual editor. Let's just show you how easily they can be created. Here we'll use a target. We'll add the page we want to place the widget on. Give your experiment a name. Add a new rule and select the widget. Here's the selection of widgets available. We'll choose hello bars. Fill in the text you want to display in your hello bar, then select the colour of the background of the bar and the colour of the text. Choose your font size and any existing navigation selector, and finally add the distance you want the bar to be from the navigation. Click Apply Widget. You'll now see the JavaScript that's been automatically generated. If you want to add more functionality, say you want to add a clickable button, then you'll need to add some more JavaScript. But if you're happy with the look of your hello bar shown when you click Save, you can move on to selecting who and when your bar is shown. Here we'll add a script to add a clickable button. We'll also add some CSS to highlight it. Now you can see the difference. The process is similar, whichever widget you choose. So it's time to start getting creative.